Welcome back to Product Critique, where we dive deep into the latest gadgets and gear. Today, we're taking a closer look at the CIKSONT Pov glasses, a pair of sunglasses with a built-in 4K camera designed for sports enthusiasts, adventurers, and anyone who wants to capture their experiences hands-free. These glasses promise to deliver high-definition point-of-view footage, whether you're cycling down a trail, hitting the baseball field, or exploring the great outdoors. Right out of the box, the glasses feature a full-rim polycarbonate frame with a sleek, sporty design. The lenses are anti-glare, which helps reduce reflections and distortions in bright sunlight or under stadium lights, making them ideal for fast-paced activities where clarity and focus are crucial. While they function as sunglasses, they also integrate an HD camera right in the center, offering a discreet way to record everything from sports action to casual adventures. The camera itself captures video in crisp 4K resolution, allowing for smooth playback and detailed footage. It also supports high-resolution photos, with up to 1200 pixels clarity, giving you the ability to snap pictures instantly as you go. For longer sessions, the glasses feature intelligent loop recording, meaning you can continuously capture footage without worrying about running out of space, as older files are automatically overwritten. However, it's important to note that a memory card is required, but it is not included in the package. For convenience, transferring footage to your computer or device is straightforward. And the glasses offer up to 2 hours of continuous recording, which is more than enough for a standard game or an afternoon adventure. The controls are simple and intuitive, designed so you can operate the camera without removing the glasses or interrupting your activity. Audio recording is also supported, making it possible to capture not just the visuals, but the sounds around you. On the technical side, the glasses are built from durable materials, combining plastic and rubber components to ensure comfort and resilience. The lightweight design means you can wear them for extended periods without discomfort, while the sporty look fits naturally with active lifestyles. In conclusion, the CIKSONT Pov glasses are a compact, all-in-one solution for recording high-quality Pov video on the go. They combine the utility of sunglasses with the technology of a wearable camera, making them an attractive option for athletes, adventurers, and content creators looking for hands-free recording. If you're looking for a way to capture your experiences in 4K while staying fully immersed in the moment, these glasses could be the gadget you've been waiting for. That's it for today's review on Product Critique. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss our next in-depth gadget review.